You know, I don't know many dads who don't like bacon and eggs, and I've got a special one for Father's Day. It's a spicy bacon and egg pie. You can go ahead and make your own pie dough if you want to. The recipe for that is on the website, and I promise not to tell anyone if you use the pre-made store-bought kind. So blind bake it in a 375 oven, which I have done, and when it's brown, take it out of the oven and then raise the heat to 400 degrees. I've scattered some cubed Canadian bacon and some sliced green onions in the bottom of the crust, and now I'll carefully break 8 eggs into the pie, and be careful not to break the yolks. Now I've salted and peppered the eggs very well, and now we'll get to the spicy part, and that's I've got some cream in the bowl, and I'll add some sriracha sauce, that's a hot Asian sauce, along with some ketchup, and I'll mix it all together and then coat each of the egg yolks with this sauce. Now I've put in the rest of the Canadian bacon and sliced green onions. Now we'll put on a top crust, tuck it into the sides, and then brush it with egg wash, and then carefully cut in some slits to vent the steam. Be careful not to break those yolks. Then I'll bake it in that 400 oven for about 25 to 30 minutes or until the crust turns golden brown. It's a beautiful Father's Day breakfast, and you can get that recipe by writing to me here at the station or log on to the website and click on the Kitchen Guy link. I'm Chef Jim. Thanks for watching the tastiest 2 minutes in television. Happy Father's Day. I'm Chef Jim, and I'll see you next time.